So my name is Dr. Were Andrew. I'm a plastic reconstructive and aesthetic surgeon based in Nairobi. I do practice in Kenyatta National Hospital, and I also do work at Da Vinci Medical Group, where we offer both reconstructive and cosmetic surgery services to our clients. Today we are partnered with Ponea Health to talk about plastic surgery in Kenya. More commonly now we are seeing hair transplants. For the balding for men, we're able to restore that by doing transferring hair from your back of the head and giving you back the youthful hair that you used to have in terms of the density of that hair and in terms of the reach of the hair up to the forehead. For ladies, because of more and more use of dreads, and braiding, then you find that you have a loss of hair, especially on the frontal aspect and the temporal aspect of your head. Then we're able to do hair transplants for you. More commonly now, we are able also to do now permanent hair transplants to give you the kind of an eyebrow, the eyebrows that you want or you desire, and that we're also able to restore for you. So if we move lower down, we have a new range and of gyne cosmetic surgery that we are seeing more and more of our patients requesting for it. More commonly, we can be able to recreate for you any kind. We can do what we call labioplasties or vaginoplasties, where we're able to give you the kind of shape of the vulva that you desire to have. And now we also do O shots and G shots. These are basically trying to increase the libido that you have, that you might desire to have in your sexual life. But you're seeing also more men coming for it in terms of wanting to increase the girth. So the range, the girth of the phalanx, and you see for plastic surgery is actually a range that, as I mentioned earlier, all the way from hair transplants to the lower limb. So the scope of plastic surgery is very, very wide. And the good thing is you're having more and more demand of the services here in Kenya, and we're able to offer it safely here. But what is more important is how do you choose where to go to get these procedures. So what we do to ensure that there's safety in terms of the plastic surgery services that we do offer, we have under our Society of Plastic Surgeons, we have a list of all board certified plastic surgeons where you're able to come and check and verify that these are board certified plastic surgeons, so that to ensure that the service that you get from this particular doctor, then it's someone who has been able to be trained to provide that particular service. Further than that, you also have to ensure that the environment which you do these particular procedures, then it's a conducive environment. Just like any other surgery, plastic surgery also has one or two attendant risks, and it's important that when you do conduct it, you have to ensure that you do it with a team that is well qualified. Any plastic surgery service that you desire, it's important for you to ensure that the person who's providing the service is board certified, and you can check this by going to the website and checking under the Society of Plastic Surgeons of Kenya, which is called CRISPLUS, and look at the list of the board certified plastic surgeons who are able to provide the services in a safe manner. Because as I mentioned earlier, that plastic surgery, like any other surgery, has its attendant risk. So you need to ensure that the team that is providing the service to you, that they are well trained and they're competent in providing that service. And surgery for plastic does not stop when you have the surgery done. And you find most of the clients that we have, both men and women, for example, who are coming for liposuction, then we're able to take them through what you call adjunct services, where, for example, if you come and do plastic surgery liposuction, then you need to come for lymphatic massage, which you do provide at our facility, to be able to get rid of the excess fluid that might have remained in the body. It's important that after you have the plastic surgery service procedure done on you, that you come for follow-up. And on follow-up, we do provide plastic surgery lymphatic massage to get rid of the excess fluid. And we also encourage that most of our patients who come and see us, then you maintain a healthy lifestyle. For example, when you talk about liposuction, we move the number of cells or fat cells that you have. But if you do not maintain a fitness regime or a healthy diet, then there's a chance that that will recur and you'll come back to my clinic. So we always advise also patients that before you come for some of these services, that you have to be mentally prepared to ensure that the journey you're able to maintain the final outcome that you desired through exercising, through healthy eating. Thank you for joining us for this episode. You can book my services through ponea.com, and I hope to see you at Da Vinci Clinic to give you what you want. Thank you.